Hello Junior 6. This is Unit 2, Lesson 2. Dangers of electricity and how to deal with it. In the previous lesson, we talked about the electric lamps, the light bulbs and fluorescent lamps, and in this lesson we will talk about the dangers of electricity. Benefits or uses of electricity in our daily life. My friends, electricity is very important. We use it in cooking food, in preserving the food cold, in lighting houses and factories, and in operating machines like television and washing machine. Materials are divided into electric conductors and electric insulators. Electric conductors and electric insulators. Electric conductors, these are materials that allow electricity to flow through, like metals, aluminium, iron, copper, and water. Water, my friends, is a good conductor of electricity. So all metals like aluminium, iron, copper, gold, silver are good conductors of electricity as well as water. Electric insulators, these are materials that don't allow electricity to pass through, like plastic, rubber, wood, glass, and so on. There are two types of injuries resulting from improper use of electricity. Number one, direct injuries, and number two, indirect injuries. Direct injuries include the electric fires, electric shock, and electric burns. Electric fires, electric shock, and electric burns. Indirect injuries like falling from top of ladder due to electric shock. So falling from the top of a ladder is considered as an indirect injury. Electric fires. Now we will talk about the first injury. First direct injury is the electric fire. Electric fires are fires resulted from the increase in the temperature of electric devices. So what are the causes of electric fires? Let's know. First, placing electric device that generates heat, like the electric iron, the electric heater, near flammable materials, like clothes, cloth, curtains, and so on. So first cause is placing electric devices that generates heat near flammable materials. Another cause, plugging more than one machine in the same socket. Many machines in the same socket cause electric fires, as the picture shown. Other cause, not disconnecting electric machines that generate heat after using, such as electric iron and heater. You leave it connected all the time, even after you finish. So this causes electric load and electric fire. Electric fires cannot be put out by water. Why? What do you think? Water is a good conductor of electricity, so you can use sand to put out electric fires. Now let's talk about the other injury, electric shock. The definition is the passing of electric current through the human body. So the body closes the circuit, so the current flows from body part to another part. What are the reasons of electric shock? When a body part touches a wire, has electric current, and the second part touches the ground. This is the first cause. Touching non-insulated wire that carries electric current, while touching substance that is good conductor of electricity, such as iron chair, iron ladder, and so on. So one part touches non-insulated wire, and the other part touches a substance that is a good conductor of electricity. Another reason, touching non-insulated wires connected to source of electricity, and this will cause electric shock. Another injury, my friends, is the electric burn. Electric burns are burns resulting from electricity causing damage in body tissues. What are the reasons of electric burns? Touching electric current source, touching fire resulting from electricity, touching electric machine that generates heat. All this may cause electric burn. So my friends, you have to use electricity, but you should take care of yourself. So there are electrical safety facts and tips. Let's talk about precautions in dealing with electricity. Precautions: don't place several connections in the same socket to prevent electric fires. Don't insert a metal object in the socket to prevent what? Electric shock. The metallic object is good conductor of electricity, so don't insert a metal object in the socket. Place a piece of plastic in the socket so that you can prevent children from playing with electricity or putting something in the socket. Don't touch electric connected machines with wet hands. Don't play with electric connections. Don't clean any electric machine while connected with the electric current. Don't place flammable materials near the electric machines. Don't leave the wires naked and not insulated. This may cause electric shock. Don't place the electric wires extending on the ground. Remember, my friends, electricity is amazing, but you should always play it safe. Thanks, my friends, and goodbye.